So the trick begins by letting the spectator shuffle the cards as much as they want. And now before we actually begin, I'm just going to make a secret little prediction of the future. I'm going to pull out this card right here. And then, let's see, I'm also going to pull out another card. Let's do this one. And then I might do one more actually. Let's do this card over here, okay? So 3 cards will be my prediction right over here. And now I'm going to try something kind of weird with the deck, okay? I'm going to basically be eliminating cards until we get to one single card, and I'll even let you have the final say for which card we use, okay? So these 3 cards will go over here. We'll use those later. But I'm just going to do this with the deck where I raise every other card like this out of the deck. And we're essentially going to be peeling the deck like an onion. We're just going to be getting rid of each layer, going deeper and deeper into the center of the deck until we can find just one single card. So there's one layer that we've just peeled. Let's go ahead and get another layer here, peeled like this. And of course, it will get faster and faster every single time we do this. But we are just getting closer and closer to the center of the deck, peeling each layer like an onion, just like this. As you can see, getting closer and closer until we are left with just 2 cards over here. So I would let the spectator have a free choice to just pull one out of my hands. Let's say they take this one, and I'll tell them to drop it on the rest of the deck. So as you can see, we have eliminated all of these cards, and we are left with this one card over here, which is the 6 of hearts. If I take this card and I just hover it and drop it over these 3 cards, can you do me a favor and take a look at the other 3 cards that I pulled out earlier? As you can see, I predicted that we would be left with these 6, just like this. All you need is a full deck of 52 cards, no jokers. You can let the spectator shuffle the cards. Once you take the cards back, you will take a peek at the bottom card of the deck, and you will hold the cards to yourself as you say that you will pull out a prediction, and you will basically pull out the other 3 cards that match the bottom card. 3 8s like this, but I will keep this as a secret from the spectator. We will look at these a little bit later. And all you have to do is shuffle 16 cards from the top. I do this in 2 groups of 8. So I just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I throw the rest of the deck on top. I just do it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I just kind of do this while I'm talking to the spectator. So the rest of the trick is self-working. You just have to do the in-jogging and out-jogging process a couple of times until you are left with 2 cards. So at this point, you can let the spectator have a free choice to take any of these cards, but you're going to be ambiguous and you're not going to give the next direction until they actually take a card out of your hand. If they take the card that you are trying to force, then you will ask them to drop it on top of the 3 cards, and then you will eliminate this other card. If they take this card out of your hand, which is the random card, drop it on top of the pile, leaving you with 1 single card. And now you'll show this and wave it over the cards, and there you go, the trick is over. So as you can see, either way, the trick will work out.